Hybrid laser cleaning is a combination of continuous laser cleaning and pulsed laser cleaning. First, use continuous laser cleaning to test the effect. Then use pulse laser cleaning to test the effect. Then how is the effect of using continuous laser and pulsed laser for cleaning at the same time?